Everyone, this is Barnyard Bounce. My name is Joe Bendor. You can see my GitHub and edX. I'm from San Francisco, California, USA. Now, since I only have 3 minutes, let's jump to the project. So, I made a game in using the Pygame library, and let's launch it and see what happens. All right, here's the game. You have a tractor driving, and the objective is to jump over the cows without colliding into them. And that's it. There's only one input. It's the space bar. Every time you hit the space, you jump. You can see there's kind of a gravity. And oops, looks like I crashed. So you can see that the score is displayed. That's actually very simple. It's purely time-based. Every second you gain a point. And to start the game again, you hit spacebar, because that's the only input in the game. If I hit any other key, nothing happens. And that's it. You can see there's kind of a semi-random spacing of the cows, which sometimes it's a little too difficult. That's something I may address in a future patch, to use perhaps a time-based random spacing approach instead of distance, which I'm doing, which, as you can see, sometimes it's impossible, so that doesn't make for a very fun game. But that's it. Everything here you see I drew by hand. Sorry to my prior art teacher. I know it's not very impressive, but that's it. That's the game. So let's take a quick peek at the code, and you can see we're importing Pygame and the other things we should be familiar with thanks to CS50. We've got a couple of functions here to help with displaying the score, helping with obstacle movement. Collisions are obviously fundamental, and we have a function for helping to scroll the ground surface. And then, of course, the main function, which kind of ties everything in together. But basically, really the fundamental things to care about in this game are the movement, which is actually movement of the cows. The tractor is not actually moving, it's an illusion. Gravity, or kind of simulated gravity. It's not, a real quadratic thing. It's just a simple function that is additive. And the other things are collision detection. That's a big thing. Obviously. So that's about it. Thanks.